The number in front of x squared, a. The number in front of x squared is a, which is negative 2. B is the number in front of x, which is negative 8. C is the number all by itself. In this case, C is actually 0. So C is 0. And we're going to plug it into the formula. X value, the vertex, is going to be negative 8 divided by 2 times negative 2. 2 times negative 2. So we got a lot to clean up here. There's a lot to clean up. A negative times a negative on the top is a positive. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. The x value of the vertex here is 8 divided by negative 4, which is a negative 2. Okay? And so I'm going to pause it here and see if there's questions. I should have done this before I mentioned. All right. So to find the x value, we use the formula to find the x value of the vertex. To find the y value, all you have to do is plug in the x value. You plug in the x value into that function. You plug the x value into the function. So it's going to be f of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 times x. We see an x. Instead of writing x, we write negative 2 squared minus 8 times negative 2. And we simplify. And I'm going to write out every step. I don't expect students to write out every step, but I will write out every step. So we have negative 2. Negative 2 squared is negative 2 times negative 2. A negative times a negative is positive. 2 times 2 is 4. So that's times 4. And then a negative times a negative over here, negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16. And so we get f of negative 2 is negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 16. And I know I'm writing everything out. Again, you could just use your calculator and not write hardly anything. But this is it right here. That's the y value of the vertex. So what is our vertex? The vertex is the point negative 2. The x is negative 2. And the y is 8. Okay, I'm going to pause here, see if there's any questions before we get to the intercepts. All right, so what we're going to find next are our x and y intercepts. Let's start with the x intercepts. Although, you know what? Let's just do the y-intercept. Why are we choosing the y-intercept? Because it goes really fast. So the y-intercept happens when x is 0. That means we're finding f of 0. F of 0 is going to be negative 2 times 0 squared minus 8 times 0, which is 0. So the x value is 0 and the y value is 0. The y-intercept is the point 0, 0. Okay. And actually, with these 2 points, with the y-intercept and the vertex, we can sketch a very nice parabola. Okay. So we're going to graph the y-intercept. I'm going to do the graphs in orange and the coordinate plane in black. So the y-intercept is 0, 0, and the vertex is negative 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't do the greatest job. But what's great about graphing is we don't have to do the greatest job. Okay. And now we know this is a parabola. So we can connect the vertex as its starting point. We can connect the starting point with the vertex. Sorry, the vertex with the y-intercept. And then whatever happens on the right side, the exact same thing happens on the left side. It looks like a parabola. This is the fastest way. I don't want to say it's the best way, but it's the fastest way to graph. Okay. If you want